Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best food chopper and slicers available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction, and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 6 we have Fullstar Chopper and Slicer. The removable catch tray makes cooking so much more convenient, no mess and no messing around. It makes cleaning effortless, and the non-slip base also makes your slicing, chopping and grating that much more practical. It is compact and easy to use. The Fullstar mandolin slicer comes with a bonus 3-in-1 adjustable spiralizer. Unlike large units, this kitchen gadget is easy to store and a breeze to clean as it is dishwasher safe. The set therefore comes with a finger guard and protective glove to keep you safe whilst you are using the spiral slicer, and a cleaning brush and blade organizer for when you aren't. The ABS plastic is non-toxic and BPA-free, guaranteeing healthy meals for your family. The catch tray makes cooking so much more convenient, no mess and no messing around. It makes cleaning effortless, and the non-slip base also makes your slicing, chopping and grating that much easier. At number 5 we have Mueller Chopper and Slicer. This chopper can be completely disassembled for easy cleaning. Once disassembled, no need to worry about the blades hiding in your drawers. The chopper includes both blade storage and a cleaning fork. It is also dishwasher safe, no more hassle of washing and wiping. With its 8 blades, the chopper will cut your meal preparation time in half and make cooking in the kitchen enjoyable again. The high-quality stainless steel blades will create perfectly chopped onions, tomatoes and peppers for salsa, or shred an entire cabbage for coleslaw in no time. This prevents food from slipping while slicing it. It also makes it clean, safe and easy to work with. No more hassles of washing and wiping. At number 4 we have Hamilton Chopper and Slicer. The Hamilton Beach 10 Cup Spiralizing Food Processor comes with 4 versatile attachments so you can make veggie spirals and ribbon slice, shred, chop and puree. The large 2.5 inches feed chute fits a zucchini or block of cheese to reduce pre-cutting. The 450-watt motor packs plenty of power to process all types of ingredients, and the 2-speed/pulse dial provides all the control you need for spiralizing, chopping, slicing and shredding. You'll be able to process 10 cups of food without having to stop to empty the bowl. Since the bowl has a pour spout, you can transfer dressings, sauces and purees into serving or storage containers without making a mess. At number 3 we have Nutrichef Chopper and Slicer. The Nutrichef 3-in-1 food spiralizer can slice, chop and make stringy spirals used for salads, vegetable garnishes, pastas, noodles and more. It creates fun food that boosts kids' appetite to help them eat their veggies. The Veggie Chopper processor features a simple electronic plug-in design, W/3.3 feet power cord length, safe for tabletop or countertop placement. You can impress your guests and serve stunning salads with this upgraded fruit and vegetable slicer. The electric home gourmet slicer shredder features safe food-grade construction. It is made from engineered ABS plastic and stainless steel blades. The collection bowl has a capacity of 1.2 liters. At number 2 we have Hami Chopper and Slicer. The frame is constructed of aluminum alloy material and featuring once die casting design. This vegetable dicer is incredibly easy to operate. You can simply load fruits or vegetables onto the blade assembly and push down the ergonomic handle. The unique blade design with high efficiency can meet large demand of fruits and vegetables, saving more time from mechanized work. This new multifunctional 1/4 inch potato dicer is convenient and easy to cut vegetables and fruits. Only need you to put vegetables onto the blade assembly and pulling down the pusher block, then you will get 1/4 inch diced vegetables or fruits. At number 1 we have Shemakia Chopper and Slicer. The mandolin slicer has 5 different functions of shredding blades for slicing, shredding, matchsticks, etc. The blade replacement method is very simple. The chopper vegetable cutter can easily handle vegetables such as onions, garlic, carrots, potatoes, green peppers, tomatoes and various fruits. The easy pressing method of the safe mandolin slicer allows you to easily cut fruits, vegetables, onions and other ingredients. The multifunctional vegetable slicer have 4 non-slip feet on the bottom which can firmly hold the countertop and keep slicer vegetable cutter stable. Veggie cutter is all made of food-grade materials. The 5 blades are all made of stainless steel. They are extremely sharp and have fine edges that making Shemakia mandolin slicer for kitchen work simple and easy. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best food chopper and slicers for your need.